Well, hello friends, thanks for joining me for another video. It's Boxing Day and I've travelled down yesterday, Christmas Day, to the Cornish coast. Here I am, a beautiful place called Cornwall Beach. And it's also the Rapha Festive 500. It's the first time it's taking place, so what better place to come to take part in that than Cornwall. So this will be my second Rapha ride of the holiday season. Holiday season sounds so American. So the first ride's got a bit of a backstory actually. Make it a short story. Basically, on the 22nd, I think it was, on Saturday, my gear cable snapped. So I'm having to put my bike in for repairs over the Christmas period. So I dug out my old bike, put a new chain on it, cleaned up a bit, tightened a few bits and bobs up, and I'll be going out on that for this holiday. It's 3 kilograms heavier than my carbon bike. It's definitely going to offer a little bit of a challenge on the hills around here in Cornwall. So that first ride was just a quick local loop, just to make sure I felt good on the old bike, because I haven't been on it since February this year. It's been left unloved. This place is absolutely amazing. So despite that local loop, I'm still going to call this day one. Isn't that an amazing view? So today's first ride is about 58 miles. It'll be a little bit more than that actually, because I've got to ride to the start point, so about 62 miles, maybe something like that. And a bit of a circular around this part of tip of Cornwall. And the highlight of the day will be St Michael's Mount. Access to the island is very much tidal. There's a causeway it goes across, and they can only cross at certain times of the day, so I need to make sure I'm there at the right time. Just want to take this opportunity to wish you all a Merry Christmas. Hope you had a great Christmas day. And today is of course Boxing Day as well, so I hope you had a great Boxing Day, whatever you got up to. Look at me, jacket off, it's so warm here, it's unbelievable. December, Boxing Day. So I had a good look around on foot, and it's feeling very warm. Just on my way back to the B&B now, it's time for some cycling. So I'm just under 2 miles away from the southwesterly most point of the UK mainland, which is Land's End. I would imagine if it's a nice summery day, this road would be busy with traffic, but I've not seen a single car yet. I'm sure 3 cars will pop up real soon. But I've got to the starting point of my ride, and I'm just about to head down to Land's End. There you go, we've reached Land's End. There's a few people running around actually. There you go, I'm going to try and get across. travelling up out of Mount Zion at St Michael's Mount. Where am I now? Mr. Turning. It's tough work around here on the roads. Well, I've just come in that direction from St Michael's Mount up Cripple Ease, or Cripple Ease, and it's been uphill for a good 15 minutes, sorry. Climb out of Mount Zion, I think it's pronounced. It's a gorgeous scenery around here, really is. It's very hilly, very lumpy. I knew it would be. Until you see it for yourself, you know, you can't always take what other people say, can you? Until you've actually done it yourself. You need to get out there and experience it and form your own opinion. Oh, so the end of this journey seems to be never ending. Amazing views though. Oh, I don't know if you see the road off in the distance there. I've got to wind all the way through these moors. Check out that view behind me. Well, I hope you liked this video. Come join me for tomorrow. I'm going to be taking a trip out to Truro, which is to the north and east of where I'm staying. It's about 60-70 miles. Well, that's it until tomorrow. I'll see you then. I hope you enjoy your rest of your Boxing Day. Ciao.